Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we discuss a program to enter a string and to find the number of double letter sequences in the string. For example, in the input, Hannah is feeding the rabbit with an apple. There are 4 double letter sequences. Double letter sequence means the same letter or the alphabet is repeated in the adjacent positions in the string. For example, in the given string, Hannah is feeding the rabbit with an apple. The double letter sequences are N and N in the word Hannah, E and G in the word feeding, B and B in the word rabbit, and P and P in the word apple. As we see, there are 4 double letter sequences in the given string. So the program is to find the number of double letter sequences in a given string. We come to the program here. Class letter, public void count letter string str. Str is the string entered by the user. Str.trim. We use the trim function to remove the blank spaces from the beginning and end of the string. A variable count is defined of int type and is initialized to 0. The variable count is used for counting the number of double letter sequences in the given string. 2 variables ch1 and ch2 of char type are defined for storing the adjacent characters. Once again, the variables ch1 and ch2 are used for storing the characters in the adjacent index positions in the string. Okay. The variable len is used for storing the number of characters in the given string. And we use the length function for finding the number of characters in the given string and is assigned to the variable len. Okay. The variable len stores the number of characters in the given string. And then a loop is created. The initial value of the loop is 0 and the final value is less than len minus 1. The final value of the loop here is less than len minus 1. Not less than equal to, less than len minus 1. I plus plus is the updation of the loop. Here, first, ch1 is equal to str.caret I. ch1 equals str.caret I. And ch2 equal to str.caret I plus 1. What does it mean? That means, first, when I takes the value 0, str.caret 0, that means the character at the first 0th index position, that means the first character will be stored in the variable ch1, and ch2 equal to str.caret I plus 1, that means the character at the index position 1, that means the second character will be stored in the variable ch2. Okay, the first character will be stored in the variable ch1 first and the second character will be stored in the variable ch2. Okay, then these characters are compared for equality by using the relational operator equal sign. If the characters are found same, the characters are equal, that means that is a double letter sequence, and then the variable count is incremented by 1, count plus plus. I will explain once again. ch1 and ch2 are used for storing the characters in the adjacent index positions. Here in this loop, starting from the first and second character, all the characters in the adjacent positions. That means the first character and the second character, next the second character and the third character, next the third character and the fourth character will be stored starting from the first position to the last position. Okay, and each time the characters are compared. If the characters are same, the variable count is incremented. Okay, now this is the process that happens within the loop. And after the loop, we check the value of the variable count. If count greater than 0, that means count will be greater than 0 only if at least one pair of double letter sequence is found. Count will be greater than 0 if at least one pair of double letter sequence is found. If count greater than 0, system.out.println the number of double letter sequences count. Else means if the value of the variable count still remains 0, that means no double letter sequence found. Else system.out.println no double letter sequence present in the string. And that is the working of the program for finding the number of double letter sequences in a given string. Thank you.